actually, yeah, it's red too, because I've replaced, yeah, it's red number 1, a 1997, with a 2002 ST1100. It's also red, but not quite as red. Anyway, it is a beautiful spring day in 2020, and I'd like to introduce you to this wonderful machine. It's my third ST1100. I've had a 1990, a 97, and now a 2002. This one I acquired with only 62,000 kilometers on it, and we'll give you a bit of a breakdown. But hopefully we can get a number of videos up this summer and you can follow me on them. Cheers. I'm going to start off at the front of the bike. So what I transferred was this headlight. This is a European headlight, and I've installed some LED lights in it, so it's quite bright. I also have put in 90-degree valve stems, and on it I have a tire pressure monitoring system. I've had to angle it a little bit because these sensors hit the brake rotor. So anyway, I will be changing that to a T valve soon. I have them, I just haven't installed them yet. I've transferred the PL lights to the unit. I have the wind deflectors on the mirrors. I also have a wind deflector on an older style, what is this one? This is a Clearview screen. This improves the airflow, less buffeting on the helmet, and also gives it a quiet pocket of air around. I have the Oxford heated grips. I've got a mount for my phone. Here is the tire pressure monitoring system. I have a FOD Sports GPS unit, and I've made a hood for that. I also made tank bag and a tank bra with a matching color to the bike. I also acquired the B-Stim bags, liners. These are great. I put on my GV rack. I have a trunk for that. This is a ambient temperature gauge. This is the voltmeter. And then I also transferred my cruise control. This is a Goldwing cruise control pod. I have teamed that up with a Rostra electronic cruise control. I have the heli bars on there. I have my knee wind deflector. This is a Sargent seat. I also have a Corbin seat. This seat also has a bracket for a Utopia backrest, which I don't have on it now. I have an outlet for my heated gear. I have an outlet, a 12 volt outlet here. I have installed a 4-way flasher, and this controls my PL lights. And this is an ABS model, so I have those units as well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you wish to subscribe, press the subscribe button. And we will see you soon. Thank you.